So friend Tally girlfriend feeds chicken biryani to Shorty because he has a limp. Everyone had brought food for him, and seeing this, Tally checks his own strong leg and looks again. This time, Shorty is being fed chips. Seeing this, Tally runs away and starts joining two sticks together. Meanwhile, Shorty is given a lollipop. By the time Tally manages to fix the sticks together and plant them in a pit, Shorty is being offered a cold drink. At this moment, Tally hangs a rope noose on it and wraps a fake bandage around his leg. Finally, he puts his leg in the noose and starts shouting. Everyone looks at him, thinking he is asking for food. So, Tally's girlfriend takes them to him. But as he walks, it's clear that he's using the same leg he had bandaged. Shorty immediately tells Tally girlfriend about this, exposing his act. But before you see what happens to Tally next, do you love your mom? Then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment, "I love mom." Tally's plan backfired, and seeing this, Shorty laughs a lot.